cure for our troubles. Preaching peace by Jesus Christ, He is Lord of all. Acts chapter 10 verse 36. Would it not be wonderful if we could find an absolute cure for the troubles of human nature? Suppose we could give a shot in the arm to the whole human race that would fill people with love instead of hate, with contentment instead of greed. Suppose, also, a cure could be found for the past mistakes, failures, and sins of mankind. Suppose by some miracle all the past could be straightened out, all of life's tangles could be unraveled, and the broken strings of life could be repaired. The most thrilling news in all the world is the fact that there is a cure. A medicine has been provided. The sin, confusion, and disillusionment of life can be replaced by righteousness, joy, contentment, and happiness. A peace can be imparted to the soul that is not dependent on outward circumstances. Prayer for the day. In complete dependence upon you, Lord Jesus, let me relay your message of love and peace to the desperately needy souls I meet.